On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest and the best way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the best, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. As you can see on your screen, these are my statistics. You can see I got 12,945 views. You can see the number of clicks, 835. The number of leads, 196, and you can see the amount that I've made, $794.02. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this amount of money as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of them, so you can join any of them that you want and then follow all the steps in this video that I'm about to show you. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is one of the best CPA networks that you can join, and the best part is that it is available worldwide, so you can search for it and then join. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find offers, you have to come right here. Once you are here, what you have to do is that you have to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select an offer to promote. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so you have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers that are allowed in that country. You can see all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United States. So any of them that you want, you can select it to promote. But one disadvantage is that all these offers, the payout is very low. So if you are using a paid traffic source, you are not going to be making profit. What you have to do is that you have to search for a different country that has offers with higher payout. The best part is that on this website, you can find offers in any country that you want. For example, if you click right here, you can see any country that you click on, you find available offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different countries. So any country that you have a traffic source, you can come right here and then select that country so that you can get offers to promote. In this case, we are going to be using a paid traffic source, so you can select any country that you want, but we are going to be looking for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So we are going to search for Switzerland. Just search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As a school, you can see these are available offers that you can promote, and you can see that most of them have higher payout. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $16.42 per every lead that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. And the best part is that the requirement is very simple. You can see your potential visitors, they have to enter a PIN code. Once they enter the PIN code, they can be able to get access to the offer, and you are going to earn the payout right here. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to perform a specific action, which is pin submit. So once they perform the action, you are going to be paid. There are many offers that have higher payout, so you can scroll and then select any of them that you want. You can see some of them you're going to be earning $6.84. You can see $10.78 and many others. So any of them that you want, you can select it. The offers, the titles are in German, so if you don't understand any of the offers, you can translate the text to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. To translate the text, what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer right here and then right click. Once you right click, you have to scroll down and then select translate to English. Once that is done, you can see the text has been translated. You can see this one, for example, the title is Get the Latest Content. It is a gaming offer. So now you can understand what the offers are about. You can see the titles of the offers. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to earn money anytime you get a conversion. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting one of the gaming offers. You can see it right here, play the best games. So what you have to do is that you have to get people in Switzerland who click on your affiliate link, submit a PIN code so that they can get access to games, and you are going to be paid $20.53. It is just simple as that. So the next step is that you have to just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link. If you want to select a tracking domain, click right here. Once you click on it, you can be able to select any tracking domain that you want. You can see a whole lot of different tracking domains that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then select it. Now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter their PIN code so that they can get access to the best games, and you are going to be paid $20.53. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Takulu.co. Takulu.co is one of the best paid traffic source that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate links. You can see they have a lot of different ad formats, and the best part is that the cost per click is very low. They have a lot of impression per day. They have high quality traffic source. So this is one of the best websites that you can use to advertise your affiliate link. You can see they get up to 1 billion impressions per day, and you can see the cost per click is extremely low. You can see it right here. So even if you're a beginner with low budget, you can be able to use this website to advertise your affiliate link. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to select advertiser. Once that is done, enter your first name, last name, email address, password, your Skype ID. Once that is done, you can click on sign me up. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get access to a free account that you can use to advertise your affiliate links. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to create your campaign. To create a campaign, click on new campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type the name of your campaign right here. You can see best games. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the ad format. You can see they have push, in-page push, direct click. So any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the traffic type. You can see they have premium, dating, mainstream. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to leave it all. Any kind of traffic that we get, it is okay. We just want people to click on our affiliate link and then take the action for us to make money. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the target URL. You have to enter your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, click on copy link. Once that is done, you have to come back and then paste it right here as considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the impression capping. The number of times that you want a potential visitors to see your ad, you can select it right here. So to select it, you have to switch it on. Once you switch it on, you can be able to enter the impression capping here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter any capping, just leave it. Once that is done, you can also enter the clicks capping, the number of clicks that you want per day or per hour. You can do that. If you want 10 clicks in an hour, you can do that. But in this case, I'm not going to do anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your campaign. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can copy and paste the title of your campaign right here. To get a nice title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group and then copy the title of the offer. So you have to translate it back to the original language. To translate it, click on this icon and then select detected language. Once you translate it, highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here as considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter a description. So you have to come back on CPA group again and then highlight and copy the description of the offer. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it right here as considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload an icon image. So you have to upload the offer image right here. To get a title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, right click on the offer image and then select save image as. Once that is done, you have to click on save so that you can save the offer image. Once you save the offer image, the next step is that you have to click right here, upload image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, you have to crop the image. So click right here, crop image as considered has been done. Now the next step is that you have to select the category that you are targeting. You can see campaign vertical, so you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select mainstream. So once you select that, the next step is that you have to select the device. You can see mobile. The offer is allowed on mobile devices, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to also select the operating system. The offer is allowed on Android, so click on it and then select Android. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the country. This is the most important part, because if you select the wrong country, you are not going to be making money. So make sure you always select the right country. In this case, we are targeting Switzerland, so click on it and then search for Switzerland. You can see Switzerland right here, select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter the cost per click. You can see this is the minimum cost per click, this is the average cost per click, and this is the maximum. Any of them that you want, you can select it. So in this case, I'm going to enter 0.045. I think this is okay. Now you can enter any amount that you want. You can see the minimum, so just enter any amount that you want. Once you enter your cost per click, the next step is that you have to publish your ad. To publish your ad, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you're going to see something like this. Refill your balance. You have to deposit money into your accounts so that you can be able to publish an ad. To deposit money into your accounts, click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see these are the methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see the minimum deposit is $100. So just select any of them that you want and then enter the amount that you want to pay. You can see you can use Master or Visa card, you can use wire transfer, capitalist, any of them that is convenient to you. You can use it to deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit the money into your accounts, your ad is going to start running and you are going to be getting people who live in Switzerland to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. It is good to use the paid traffic source because you are going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. So imagine you invest $100 and you are able to get up to 20 people who enter the details for you to make money. So when you multiply 20 by 20, you are going to be making a lot of profit. If you use the paid traffic source, you are not going to be making any loss. So go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.